Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 6, that is integers. So let's start, students. So our first topic is whole number. I think you know that about the property of whole number. Whole number, that is start from 0, means it is start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole number start from 0. This is the sign of whole number, means it start from 0. Now come on second topic, that is natural number. What is natural number, students? As you know that natural number start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means the difference between whole number and natural number. And what is the difference? Whole number start from 0 and the natural number start from 1. Clear, students? Now let's come integers. Now what is integers? Students, integers are negative, 0 and positive. Clear, students? Yani integers are the combination of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. Now how? If you want to write down the positive integers, positive means what? Plus sign. Ab you know that ki plus sign is understood. If 1 is written, it means plus 1. 2 is written, it means this is plus 2. 3 is written, it means plus 3. It means if there is no sign, it means the numbers are positive, because positive sign is understood. So next thing is negative integer. Now here 1, 2, 3 no sign is given, it means it is positive, all are positive. And the negative integer means you have to write down the negative sign, means sign of subtraction, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. These are the negative integer. So what is the difference, students? In positive integer you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and there is no sign, it means all are positive number. And if there is a sign, means this one, yani this is the negative sign, so these all are negative integers. Clear, students? Now the next thing is 0. What is 0? You know that 0 having no sign. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Why? Because you know that 0 lies in the here middle, means right hand side all are positive integer, left hand side all are negative integer. Clear, students? So 0 is an integer, 0 is also integer, but which is neither positive nor negative. It is the middle, it will come in the middle of the negative integers and positive integer. Clear, students? Now here you can see representation of integer on number line. How you will represent the integer on number line? Here you can see this is the 0. Right hand side of 0 all are positive integer. Clear, students? Right hand side all are positive integer and left hand side all are negative integer. Clear, students? Suppose you have to represent minus 2. Clear, student? So how you will represent? First you will draw a number line. Clear, students? Now you know that in middle there is a 0, here plus 1, plus 2, here minus 1, minus 2. You have to represent minus 2, students. So this is your minus 2. Suppose you have to represent 3. You have to represent plus 3. So you know that all positive integer lie on the right hand side of the 0. So here you will write down 3. This is your 3. So by this you will represent the integer. Clear? Means what is the conclusion? The left hand side, the integer which lies to the left hand side are negative integers, and the number which lies right hand side all are positive integer. You can easily see here 1, 2, 3 are the positive integer and here minus 1, minus 2 are the negative integer. Clear, students? So this is the representation of integer on number line. Now come on next topic, absolute value of integer, student. What is the absolute value of the integer? This is the new term, but very easy. Absolute value of an integer is 0. Yani absolute value of an integer is 0 in case of 0. If 0 is given, so absolute value of 0 is always 0 and positive otherwise. So what is the result means, student? If 0 is given, you have to find out the absolute value of 0, means if you have to find out absolute value of 0, तो according to definition absolute value of 0 is 0 and positive otherwise. तो how you will change students? यानी always absolute value give positive result, and if 0 is given so it will give always 0. Means if -3 is given, let us assume -3 is given, so what is the absolute value of this student? You will write down this. This is the sign of absolute. Here one left hand side and here one right hand side, and this will give +3. Clear students? If you have to write down 5, let us assume 5 is given, so how you will write down students? 5 is given, so you will write down 5 same, because you know that according to definition always you will got result positive. If 0 is given, in case of 0 your result will be 0, and in case of any other always the result is positive. If you have to find out the value of absolute value of -6, so how you will write down? -6 and the result is 6. What means you have to only change the negative sign into positive, but like 7 this is positive, so always result is what? Result is always positive. Clear students? You can directly also write down. So what is the conclusion? If 0 is given, so absolute value of 0 is 0, and if any negative integer is given, so absolute value is always positive according to the definition, and if positive number is given, so you know that the positive result is always positive. Clear students? Now come on next topic, that is addition of integer. Now how you will add students? Like if simple addition I am taking 20 plus 23, so you know that it will come 43. Clear students? Now if you have to add -20 minus 4, now how you will add? Here both are minus, so you know that minus and minus will become what? Plus. Yani here 20 and 4 minus minus become plus, you know that. So 20 and 4 become what? 24. Now one question remains, कि sir what sign we will put? This is very important question, कि what sign you will put? Clear students? So always remember students, you have to see, you have to check the greater integer. Here in 20 and 4, which one is integer? Only you have to see 20 and 4. So 20 and 4, 20 is greater and 20 having which sign? Minus sign. So here you will put minus sign. Acha. In this question, if you want to know which sign you will put, student, why here no sign? No sign is positive. Here you can see 20 and 23. If no sign is given, student, means this is what? This is plus. Plus plus what? Plus. Clear? Which sign you will put? You will put the sign of greater integer. Which one is greater? 23 and 23 having plus sign. Clear students? So plus and plus give what? Plus. Clear students? And minus plus give minus. Plus minus give what? Minus. Let us take another example. Minus 30 plus 20. Clear students? Ab you know that according to the rule, minus is given and plus is given. So minus and plus become what? Minus. So you know that you will subtract, yani 30 and 20. You will subtract. So if you will subtract 30 and 20, what it will come? It will come what? 10. Now, which sign you will use? This is the question. So what I explained, you have to see the greater integer. Clear? So what is greater, students? Here 30 and 20. In 30 and 20, 30 is greater. Clear? And 30 having which sign, student? Minus sign. Clear? So here you will put minus sign. Clear students? So addition of integer, clear students? Here this is very important term. Always remember this. And absolute value always also clear. Absolute value always absolute value is 0 and in case of other one the result is always what? Positive. Representation of number line I also show. Clear student? So in next video we will discuss the next topic. Thank you students.